Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to view trading pairs on Delta Exchange. Trading pairs are the essential part of the cryptocurrency trading on the Delta Exchange. Trading pairs show which two assets are being traded against each other, such as BTC USDT or the ETH USDT. Viewing trade pairs helps traders explore available markets, check prices and decide which asset they want to trade. The platform make it easy to browse and select trading pairs directly from the trading interface. So first open your Delta Exchange app on a device, and you can also authenticate with your Face ID or your password as well. And after that, you need to go to the trading section on the bottom. Under the trading section, you'll find all of the trade or the market section of the platform. This area shows the available cryptocurrency markets and the trading option. You can also find the trading pair list in the top. There's an Ether perpetual tab over there, and you can select to this trading pair, for example BTC USDT. Over here, BTC USDT is a Bitcoin trade against the USDT. This list allows you to quickly browse all the available markets on the Delta Exchange. And over here, you can also tap on the chart beside it, and you can view the trading pairs of the Delta Exchange. Helps you explore the different cryptocurrency markets and choose the asset you want to trade. You can quickly find and open any of the trading pair available on the platform. And this is it. This is how you can view the trading pairs on Delta Exchange. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.